Go ahead.
Sis.
Let me see. Let me see you use your spoon. Come on.
Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth.
Wow. See, Rosie knows how to do it. Good girl. See? Let me see Juvia. Let me see Juvia do it.
Hi, Mama.
Let me see my babies.
My mommy.
Oh, yeah. See, they know how to eat. Rosie knows how to eat with a spoon now. Look at that. She knows how to do it. Look at that. She's a big girl. Look at that. She knows how to do it. Look at that.
Don't make your food.
Rosie. Rosie. Come on. Let me see you eat. Rosie.
Rosie, one more.
Utot. Rosie.
Hello, I named Julia.
Rosie.
Rosie, one more.
Come on. Let me see. Let me see you use the spoon.
Hello.
Juvia, come on.
Oh, nice.
Rosie. The other way.
Oh, yeah. I guess.
Come on. Rosie, you're playing.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Mommy, that.
Okay. Wait. You need to wait.